Reusing content in other presentations or even other applications in the Microsoft Office 2010 suite can be done effortlessly thanks to the Paste Preview feature available here in PowerPoint 2010 as well. Let's explore it using our Conference 1 presentation, and we're on slide number 1 where we see the title slide Customer Conference. Let's say we want to add some text here to the right and we want to get that text from another document. In fact, the document's in another application, Microsoft Word. If you want to launch Microsoft Word and open up the Hansel Petal letter file, we're going to select the text that appears down at the bottom, the name and the title of the person who is going to be represented on our first slide. So when you click and drag across that, you just need to copy it now. You can click the copy button on the ribbon, Control-C on your keyboard. You can even right-click, however you like to copy. And we'll switch back to PowerPoint. And now it's time to paste it here on our slide. We want to put it over here eventually beside our logo. But when we go to the ribbon on the Home tab and click the Paste drop-down button, we've got a few options. And as we hover over those options, we see a little bit of information about the option, and we also see a real-time preview on our slide of what it might look like if we were to select this option. In this case, the first one is to keep the source formatting. This is the formatting that we saw in the letter itself. So that'll include the font, the color, etc. If we move to the next icon, it's going to use our destination theme. That is, the properties that go with the theme that's being used in our presentation right now. And you can see that's a better match for our title slide. You also have the ability to insert it as a picture. That's very hard to see because it's over top the date that appears on our slide. But it's going to use the original formatting and it's going to create a picture of it so we can move the picture like an object around on our slide. The last option is to just keep the text only. It's going to be stripped of the formatting that we saw in our Word document, and it's going to be left with the default formatting here that is in our presentation. So this one, or perhaps the second option, which is to use our destination theme, would be ideal. So I'm going to choose the second one. You can choose this one or the last one. And when we use our destination theme, you can see there's a couple of things we need to do. So we'll just click on the border. First thing is to go to the ribbon and left align this to make it nicer. And let's bring it down a few point sizes. We'll click the point size drop down here next to our font name, and let's try 24. And now you can see we can just move this box over to the right hand side, line it up with our logo, and then just click anywhere on the slide to see the end result. That looks much better. So with the new Paste Preview, you can see reusing content just became a lot easier and a lot quicker in that you can preview what the information is going to look like before you actually paste it.